paddy is a type of crop from which we get rice, and also paddy is cultivated almost all over the world. As you can see around me, everywhere just paddy field. And also, as you can see carefully, the shape of paddies are almost ripened and it's becoming golden color. And this is time for harvesting. After having harvest, the farmer will conserve it. And also, I'm here at this place to practice my English. Every day at the evening time, if I stay free, I try to come here to practice my English. And also, I will suggest you, if you want to improve your speaking skill in a short time, then you have to try to come at natural place, and you have to highlight the nature in English. So keep it up, keep learning, keep practicing, keep enjoying. Thank you very much for watching this. Allah Hafiz.